it's IVIaNiiKJDM here, just fixing my headlight here. I got some moisture, as you can see. It's been like that forever, so what I'm doing today is taking the bumper off, and I'm gonna get to that now. Just quick run through with the bumper. It's got this strip right here. It's held together by 10 millimeter bolts, or screws, Phillips screws. If you have a earlier model, mine's a 97, so it's 10 millimeter bolts. Then you gotta come around here. You gotta take your turning indicators off. You gotta take your wheel well trim off, liner. And there's, I took them off already. But there's 3 bolts in here. There's actually two 10 millimeter bolts right here. You can see the openings. 1, 2, and then there's a screw right there. Nobody tells you about that. And then there's also another 10 millimeter bolt, or it's also a Phillips screwdriver on previous and present models that nobody on the forums or internet really tells you about. And over here you can see I got my light. I had my light set up here, so you can see it. I'm in the process of taking them out right there. You can see right there those two. One on the top left of your image, so one 10 millimeter. And then the one underneath that, and then the screw was right there. It's a bad shot, but it was right there. And then this was where that other 10 millimeter bolt was. And then once you take all that off, pry it right off, and I'm gonna come back to you once I get all that off. So far, what I took off is just the liners. Got my other one off right here. You do have to jack up the car.